Ride around with the crew. Ride around with your boo. Yeah. Ride around deep in multiple groups. Yeah. All my hitters around me looking like troops. Yeah.
Hey gang, back again with another review. This time from Walmart. I got 3 different slimes, guys, that I am so excited to open up and see how they feel, smell. I'm like super excited about these because I think these all have scent. So y'all know how I feel about scent, and I'm ready to go. Let's jump right into this vid. Okay guys, so first up we have one that's called Sentos, and it is a scented cloud slime. Y'all know I love my cloud slime, and look at that. It is birthday cake scented, and who don't love a good birthday cake? Already it does look very cake-like-ish color. I mean, if that's a word, I think it is, but it does look very cake-ish. So it says it's so light and fluffy, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, yes. This one was $5, and so not bad at all. But is it going to pass, you know? Am I going to say yes? Go and get this. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, so immediately, it's not a really strong scent. So if it does have a scent, it's not strong. So let's feel and see. Oh. Oh, I smell it. I smell it now. I do. It does smell like a, look at that stretch, guys. Oh my gosh. That does have a cloud look and a cloud feel. And it smells like cake. It smells more like a cake batter. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. It smells more like a cake batter, but it looks like a cake. Like, it literally, come on, look at this. Besides a little fallout on my fingers, I mean, it's store-bought, so I expect that. Like, usually when I do a store-bought cloud slime, it's really not a cloud slime. So I'm really going to let them go with that. Like, I think they get a pass. I mean, come on. For $5? Wait, what? Okay. So it has sprinkles in there. It is a beautiful yellow color. And it really gives me, like, cake vibes. Like, I'm really getting cake vibes from this. Look at that. Will you check that out, guys? Oh, my gosh. It's not, like, super stretchy like how I would like my cloud slime. So, yeah, with that. But like I said, it's store-bought. So, you can't expect it to be, you know, just everything. Oh, that gave me a little pop. Wow, okay. I'm really loving how they decided to do the cake batter, the birthday cake. I'm loving how they did the birthday cake in a cloud because it's really giving me vibes of cake. Like, that's really giving me cake vibes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm loving this. I am loving this, guys. Yeah, like I said, no, it's not super stretchy, but we know that. And once again, we know this is off the store shelf, so we can't expect it to be stretchy and have a cloud fill and a scent and all that for $5. And, you know, you gotta leave some things behind. Can't have it all. But I would say for what it is, I would definitely tell you to pick it up if you happen to be at Walmart and you're like, is this slime good? I mean, definitely worth your $5. Definitely. You'll get some fun out of it. You definitely will. Okay, let's move on to the next one, guys. Okay, so this one next is the Scented Rainbow Swirls Butter. And this is by the Compound Kings company. I have had slime by them before, and I'm never really impressed with their slime. I'm gonna be honest. I always get their slime, and actually I got like their combo slimes where you like was adding like one thing, like the sand or the foam beads to the slime. I did that, and it was like never impressive. Like, I never was happy or satisfied after I got finished playing with it. I was always like, frowny face, no. But let's see. It says this is a surprise charm inside, guys. So, okay, excited about that as well. This one was $4.40, so that's not bad. $4.40, okay. It says it's super smooth, so of course it's a butter slime, so it better be smooth. But we will see. Compound Kings. All right, so let's get this thing open and see what it's all about. So this one has a aluminum seal to it. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, that's the surprise charm. Oh, I have to get some scissors for that. All right, let me open this, and guys, I'm gonna get some scissors to open this surprise charm. Hey, let's take a look and see. Surprise! Oh, look at that! It is a little. Look at that, guys. It is a little popsicle. Don't I just love a good little popsicle? Isn't that popsicle so cute? Yes, it goes so perfectly. I love that. Okay, so let's. Oh, let me smell it. It has like a. It's very smooth. Oh, they ain't lie. No cap on that. It's so super smooth. Okay, let me move this. We'll bring you back in a moment. You stay right there. Like, I'm just trying to get like a good grab now. And that's giving me a hard time, which is odd for a butter slime. Usually a butter slime will just like stay together. They be like, ugh. If you taking some, you're taking all. So I don't know. This is giving me a really hard time. But it's so super smooth. Oh my god. I guess I'm just going to be little by little, bit by bit, taking it out. Guys, don't drag me about this now. Oh my gosh, I broke it the other day. But, you know, I'll get that fixed. Oh my gosh, though. Wait, ignore the nail and look at this beauty. What? Oh my goodness. Like, I just marbleized that thing. Yes, come through. I love that. Okay, let's keep going. Look at my hand. I'm just like want to just dig. Let's just dig that on out. Yes. Come on. Will you come out of there? Like, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to leave some behind, guys. Like, I am not getting this. Oh no. Look at that. Why would they do that to me? I'm gonna add just a little bit of activator to see if that helps me with getting it. No, it's really not. Oh wait, it really is. No, I changed my mind again. It's not. Okay, so I'm going to have to leave some of that behind. And that is just too much. But just know that's what it's hitting for. Okay, so I was really hyped about the smell. Like, for some reason, it smelled like, it seemed like it was like super scented. And I'm not. None of them smell nice. Maybe I was just so hyped about this color. Like, this color must have been blinding all of my senses. Because I am not even smelling anything like that anymore. Yo, it's so faint. It is so faint that really is not even Wait, I'm sorry. One more time. I just need to see how they worded that. Okay, so it does say Senate. Okay, so I just want to make sure I'm not tripping. Because, like, y'all could have saved that. Oh my gosh. Take the whole table with you, okay? Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, so in comparison to a butter slime that you would just like basically get from the shop, in comparison to this, it's a difference. It's really, it's very, as you can see, it has the same consistency as when I was trying to get it out. Like, this is the reason why I'm not able to get it out the jar, because it has like a melty sensation. I don't know. I'm just trying to explain it so that you understand. But it's like, it just like melts in your hand, kind of. Like, it has, I don't know how to explain it, but it just, it's smooth, yes, but it's not like a real butter consistency. Like, it just breaks up. Okay, let me say that. It breaks up too much. Like, it breaks. Like, it's not going to stay together. So, of course, with that being said, it's not going to be a stretch. It's going to be a tear, okay? That's what you're going to get with that. And see, once again, this is the Compound King. I knew it. Like I said, look, I'm never really satisfied, right? And I'm going to keep saying that. Look at that. Do you see that? Okay, you see that. You see that. You know no butter slime supposed to be doing that. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Sad face. Let's give this a sad face. No. Oh my gosh. It's like it got the feel where you like, oh, I'm going to squeeze that and get some, but then it's like, nah, you're not going to get nothing. I don't know. I'm going to say Compound King always leaves me unsatisfied. And this is no, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is no different. This is no different. Oh my goodness. I mean, are you bearing witness to this? Okay. I think I had enough of this one. Like, I can't give you a stretch, a pop, a pill, a pull, a poke. I mean, I can give you a, ooh, that's butter, baby. But that's about it. And now that the swirls are going, it's like, that's a done deal. It's a wrap, baby. We're done here. We are so done. Goodbye. Oh, take your charm with you. Wasn't worth it. Okay, guys. On to the next. Okay, so the last one we have here is this Nickelodeon slime. I've never had the Nickelodeon slime. As crazy as that sounds, as I say it, it's like that's just crazy because Nickelodeon is like the OGs of the slime world. You know, the originators. And y'all know, like, come on, I came up with Nickelodeon being like slime on the games and stuff like that. So for me to say that I never had Nickelodeon slime, it's just like mind-boggling to me. Like, I am just I'm like, wait, what? Like, I should be embarrassed to even say that out my mouth, but I have to be honest. So yes, I've never had Nickelodeon slime, and so this is my first time being able to get to witness the OGs of the slime game and see what they about. Okay, so this one was actually $5.97, but look how many different colors you get here. You get pink, orange, green, blue, and purple. 5 different colors, so you have yourself a little rainbow going on there. And look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. They're like, okay, these are the effects that you're gonna get. Oh, it's literally called rainbow slime. Bam, there you go. So yeah, let's get into this one. This one says it's super gooey fun. So I don't know, that kind of scares me. Super gooey. I hope it's not sticky. That's what I'm gonna say. It says it's slime, but then it also says it's super gooey. And usually when they say it's super gooey, it's kind of sticky. I don't know. All right, so let's check it out. Oh yes, it has the plastic wrap, nice and secure once again, in a jar top. It doesn't say anywhere that it's scented, so I'm going to assume that it's just scent. Oh, okay. So it has another little top on there. And then it has these little individual packets with a plastic seal on there. Come on, Purple. You know you want to come and join the rainbow fun. There we go. Alright, so we have these packets, and I'm going to just go and open all of these up and get right back to you guys. Okay, guys, so I did go ahead and open up 4 of them, and I left this pink one because I just wanted you guys to see exactly how I have to open them. It actually has a little tab on the side right here, but as you can see, every time I went to go pull the tab off, it's like almost impossible, if not impossible. So what I had to do is I had to go and get my little knifey and like actually cut it open. And so, you know, I don't know, like maybe you may have to make sure your parents open this for you, because I can't even really see scissors doing it, you know. And yeah, I don't know, why would they make that so hard to open? I have no idea, but I just wanted to let you guys see that you know, if you do get this slime, make sure you have a parent right there with you, because you are going to need some assistance probably with opening a plastic wrap on top. So with that being said, I'm ready to jump in and fill these slimes. So let's just start with this purple. So it is gooey, yes, but not sticky. It actually has a very moist feel to it. So your hands are going to feel like they're wet, even though, well, they are moist. So yes, they were actually telling us the truth when they said it is gooey. It's very, very gooey. But not a gooey that turns you off. That's like, oh no, I don't want to play with that. It's actually a nice gooey. So I would put this in between a slime and a ooze. Like, it's one of those oozes that's, you know, it's more slime. It's like a ooze sleigh. I'm going to make that up right now. It's a ooze sleigh because it's not quite slime, but it's not quite ooze. It's like a combination of the both. So, okay, so that's the purple. Let's go ahead for the blue. It has some stretch. But like I said, it's a ooze sleigh. So yeah. That's the blue. They're so pretty and vibrant. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. These colors are just so gorgeous. Like, yeah. Oh, look at, see there. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's the OG slime. Like, that is the original slime. Like, when we was first introduced to slime, this is exactly how it looked. Nice and gooey and green. Oh, I'm losing it. Oh man, I'm mixing it before I even want to mix it. No. Okay. All right. So there you have it. There's the green. All right, let's just move right ahead to this orange since it already got it. The green like chose the next color. It was like, you tag, you're it. Here's the orange, guys. So vibrant, so beautiful. Like this straight looks like a tangerine. Like this slime offers so many pops. It's not sticky at all. Like I said, the only thing you're going to feel is like a little moistness. It's moist. But that's what you expect from an ooze sleigh. Alright, so here is the orange. And lastly, let's go with this pretty pink. Oh, that is like a bright pink. Do y'all see how bright that is? That is vibrant. I love this pinky color. So nice. I mean, so far, I'm going to say I don't have any complaints because Nickelodeon, they told us exactly what it was. It's an oozy, no, a gooey slime. Like, they said exactly what it is. That's exactly what they gave us, a gooey slime. And it doesn't have a scent. Yeah, it doesn't have a scent. So, I can imagine when they made slime, they was like, scent it? Scent it for what? They was like, scent it? Wait, what? They knocked that off of their desk of ideas for years. They was like, we will not. And then I think they're like, we still won't. All right, so let's go ahead and mix it and see how that looks. All right, let's just like, I'm trying to figure out how we gonna twirl this thing together to give us the best impact. Ooh. Let's just start right there. Come through, yes. All right, so what I didn't really do is like try to poke it. So they are mixing so pretty. But, what color are we going to turn into? What color are we going to end up with? So because it is a sleigh of a gooey ooze, it's not going to give you the pops the same. Like, it just, it feels like you're trying to pop some moist, I mean, y'all know, like what the original slime reminds you of, like very wet snot or something. So yeah, it like has a feeling of some wet snot. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, yes, it feels like you're trying to give that pops. So it's not the same satisfaction as when you're doing a regular slime. No, it's not. It's like makes me not even want to squeeze that. But okay. Yeah, see? You see that? Like, I'm not getting no pops because it is that gooey. It's not a true slime. So if you're like, oh, I'm getting slime for the first time, should I try this out? I'm going to say no, because no, it's not a true slime. This is more of a gooey ooze that has the body of a slime, but it's not the real feel. You're not going to get those really good satisfying pops. You'll get pops, but it's just not the same. So it changed into a pretty purple though. I'm very surprised. Did y'all see that coming? Did you know that it was going to change into a nice purple like that? I did not know that. I thought that it was going to be more of a, I don't know, a brown or something. It looked like it was going to turn like a really dark brown. But this is a nice color. So for what it is, I would say yes. Is it a slime? No, it is more of a ooze. But one that's not sloppy and messy. It's a neat ooze. You see how shiny that is? That's moisture, guys. That's not a gloss. That's straight moist. I guess we got, you know, they give us the container that it goes inside of. So that's good. Even though it came out of those small packages, we can actually get it back into this big package. With lots of room to spare. Okay, so I really enjoyed that one. Oh my gosh, these slimes were all like kind of surprising. I was very surprised by this cloud because it was good. You know, I'm not used to buying a cloud from a store and it being good. And y'all know how I feel about the OG slime. That's in the middle. And then this one right here, I have to say the Compound Kings, they never disappointing me. Like, they always can disappoint me. They can always leave me unsatisfied. But I'm gonna try more out. Like, I'm so curious to know how they have a whole line that sells. So I'm gonna try more of these Compound Kings out because I'm sure it has to be something that I run into that's good. Come on, come on. All right, that's it for me. Do you love these reviews? I do. Oh my gosh. If you want me to do more reviews like this, let me know. What what do you want me to review next? What brands you want me to review? Or slime shots. Like, we can get into the slime shots. I'm about that, you know what I'm saying? Like, we can do that. I'm game. That's it for me. I'm out of here, guys. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys continue to think positive.